tournament instructions.
Good morning, good morning. We're dividing into groups of Group A will be men's B class, round robin 42 points. Group B, men's C, round robin 42 points. Group C, men's A plus, round robin up to 42 points. Group E, men's E, round robin 36 points. Group E, women's C, double round robin 31 points. Group F, women's D plus, double round robin 31 points. Group G, women's D, double round robin 31 points. Group H, women's E plus, round robin 42 points. It's gonna be one set, no change board. Ceiling contact. So you can hit the ceiling only once per player.
Once per team or per player?
Per player. So, per game. Per game, per player. Yeah. Injury timeout is gonna be 5 minutes per game.
Per player.
Per game. So just notify the officers to be sure that per match, per game. It's only gonna be a one set. Yeah, one set lang. Warm-up is gonna be 2 minutes. Warm-up, default is 10 minutes. Warm-up is gonna be like 2 minutes. We're very strict on that. So after 2 minutes, you're gonna start your match. Yeah. Ceiling, salary ceiling, okay? Again, it's per player, not per game. Okay. Again, the warm-ups only 2 minutes straight. It's gonna be win over the other in case of time. It's gonna be chaotic. It's gonna be point difference. So, like for instance, pagtambak kayo, it's gonna be like so one shuttle per game, we're gonna be giving one shuttle camp and the rest. You guys will be providing the rest. The phone time is gonna be 10 minutes per game. I think that's it. You guys good luck and hopefully for have fun and no injuries.
Thank you so much to our tournament directors. Again, if you need clarification on our tournament guidelines, you can easily approach our tournament directors for clarification. But next person I'd like to call, and I'd like to ask everyone's attention this way, is our president of Badix to give some words.
Good morning, Badix! Thank you, kids! I know! Good morning, Badix family. On behalf of Board of Directors, previous officers, friends and family, and our generous sponsors, welcome to our first and most highly anticipated Blind Date tournament. Today is more than just a competition. It is about connection, teamwork, sportsmanship, creating unforgettable memories on the court. To all our players, embrace the moment, trust your partner, give it your best, and most importantly, have fun. May today bring exciting rallies, great chemistry, and new friendships. Good luck to everyone.